boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Hey guys, what's up? It's Lara, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a fake tattoo. And yeah, so let's get started. The stuff you'll need are eyeliner, baby powder, and hairspray. If you don't have baby powder or hairspray, you can just use one of them. You don't need to use them both. And if you don't have eyeliner, you can also use any color of marker. So that's it. Let's start. So the first thing you're gonna do is you can draw or you can write. So what I did was I wrote Lara and then a heart and then star. So I did my YouTube channel name. I thought that would be really nice. And so I did that. So you're basically just gonna draw with the eyeliner. What I'm doing here. This is how mine looks like. So the next step is to take your baby powder and you're just gonna put that on top of what you wrote or what you drew. So then you're just gonna, just apply it like this, what I'm doing. And then make sure you kind of wipe it off so you can see the eyeliner, so you can still see the eyeliner. So what I did was take a brush, a makeup brush, and then just wipe everything off a little bit so you can see what I wrote. Now you're gonna take your eyeliner again and trace over what you wrote. So just write it again on top of it, and that's what I'm doing. When you're done with tracing it, it's time to put the baby powder on top of it again. So basically you're gonna just do that for like 2 or 3 times. So just put baby powder on, trace it, baby powder on, trace it. And this is the second time I did it. Now it's time to trace it again. So take your eyeliner and just write on top of it. Now when you're done with doing all the layers of baby powder, you're going to take your hairspray and spray on what you wrote or drew and just kind of like massage that in, and make sure you're doing this very carefully and really gently. So take like tissue and then just tap on it really carefully. This is the end result. That was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is how it looks like. Wait, you can't really see it really good. Yeah, but I showed you before. That was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell. Bye!